The 10 best foods to help fight stress. There are many ways to manage and even reduce stress levels when you are feeling tense. Food can be one of your biggest allies, or enemies. It can make your stress levels go down or up, so it's critical to pay attention to what you're eating when you are feeling frazzled. Unhealthy eating patterns can send stress levels skyrocketing and potentially increase your risk of health problems in the future if you don't address them. So the next time you're under pressure, arm yourself with this delicious arsenal of 10 stress-busting pantry staples. 1. Herbal tea helps promote feelings of warmth and calmness. Sometimes it's the feeling that food or drinks induce, not their nutrients, that helps reduce stress. Drinking a warm cup of tea is one way to help make yourself feel calmer. Past research has suggested that holding and sipping a warm beverage increases feelings of interpersonal warmth and friendliness. There's a soothing effect of sipping a warm drink, regardless of the flavor, but certain herbs, like lavender and chamomile, have been shown to have a relaxing effect on their own. Herbal tea is great for winding down, but says green tea is perfectly fine when you need a small jolt of caffeine because it's full of flavonoids, which studies show support brain health. They can help protect neurons against injury induced by neurotoxins, suppress neuroinflammation, and promote memory, learning, and cognitive function, according to previous research. 2. Dark chocolate offers an antioxidant-rich indulgence. Dark chocolate in the diet can reduce stress in 2 ways, via its chemical impact and its emotional impact. Chocolate feels like such an indulgence that it can be a real treat to simply savor a piece of it, and that feeling alone can help to reduce stress. Dark chocolate, which is rich in antioxidants, may also help reduce stress by lowering levels of stress hormones in the body, according to a study that followed participants who ate about 1.5 ounces Oz per day for 2 weeks. It's also important to choose high-quality dark chocolate. You may have heard about the bean-to-bar movement, which focuses on high-quality ingredients and in-house responsibility for every aspect of the chocolate-making process. 3. Whole grains provide a mood-boosting way to carbo-load. Carbohydrates can temporarily increase levels of serotonin, a hormone that boosts mood and reduces stress. Once serotonin levels are increased, people under stress have better concentration and focus. Just make sure to choose healthy, unrefined carbohydrates, like sweet potatoes and whole grains, for better nutrition, and limit simple carbs, such as cookies, cake, and white foods, including white pasta and white bread. Fiber can also support a healthy gut microbiome. Reach for high-fiber foods, including whole rye, buckwheat, and brown rice. 4. Avocados offer stress-busting omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados are not only delicious mashed into guacamole or sliced and added to a salad, they also offer omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy essential acids are known to reduce stress and anxiety, boost concentration, and improve mood. The possible superpower of avocados goes beyond their omega-3 fatty acids. They also consist of phytochemicals, fiber, and essential nutrients. 5. Fish can boost your heart health while fending off stress. Fight stress and help prevent heart disease by adding seafood to your plate. Fatty fish in particular are a great option because they're heart healthy, and their omega-3s may help ease depression because the nutrients easily interact with mood-related brain molecules. Not a fish fan? There are other whole food options, like seaweed, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and fortified food, such as certain brands of eggs, milk, soy milk, and nut milk. You can also try omega-3 supplements in the form of fish oil, which can be found at your local drugstore or grocery store. 6. Warm milk can help you get a good night's sleep, aiding stress management. Sipping warm milk before bed is a centuries-old home remedy for getting a better night's sleep. For people who grew up drinking warm milk before bed, the routine can signal that it's time to go to sleep, for example. Also, the act of sipping a warm beverage curled up on the couch is innately relaxing. Calcium-rich foods are an essential part of a healthy diet for bone health, but this nutrient may also help reduce depression. Milk and other dairy foods with calcium and added vitamin D can help muscles relax and stabilize mood. 7. Nuts are a great stress-busting snack and they're high in healthy fat. Nuts are full of nutrients, including B vitamins, along with healthy fatty acids. B vitamins are an important part of a healthy diet and can help reduce stress. Almonds, pistachios, and walnuts may even help lower blood pressure levels. Just remember to limit servings to just a handful a day to avoid excess calories. Nuts and seeds are also high in magnesium, and that's A+, because magnesium has been linked to better anxiety management. 8. Citrus fruits and strawberries contain vitamin C, which help fight stress. Some studies have found that high levels of vitamin C may help ease stress levels. One double-blind study, published January 2015 in the Pakistan Journal of Biological Sciences, reported that vitamin C reduced stress levels in participants taking 500 mg per day, and also pointed to possible anxiety prevention. Another study, published in November 2013, looked at vitamin C and vitamin E and found a significant decrease in anxiety levels in the vitamin C group compared with other groups. Eating fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and strawberries is a good place to start. 9. Probiotics can create a healthy gut microbiota, helping you manage stress. The best way to support healthy gut hormones is with good-for-you bacteria called probiotics. Probiotics can help boost the immune system, protect against harmful bacteria, and improve digestion and absorption of nutrients. Several studies that found gut health has a direct correlation to improving anxiety, depression, and mood. One way is that gut bacteria can produce molecules with neuroactive functions, including serotonin and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which positively influence mood. Probiotics can be available in supplement form. Pills can be more expensive than their food form. Some of the top-rated brands run for more than $40 for a month's supply, for instance. Fortunately, probiotics occur naturally in food, too, and appear to be slightly better than the pill form, though both are efficient carriers for good bacteria. 10. Foods high in fiber may reduce stress and anxiety. Fiber-rich foods are gut-friendly and can play a role in lowering stress. A high-fiber diet may be linked with reduced anxiety, depression, and stress. Studies suggest that fiber may help fight oxidative stress and inflammation, two effects that previous research tied to cancer, along with other health conditions. To add more fiber to your diet, you should eat more beans, green peas, berries, almonds, pistachios, flaxseed, sesame seeds, and lots of greens, like kale and broccoli.